Hello everyone, I'm very honored to be able to participate in this academic conference. My name is Shan Xuepeng from the School of Public Administration, Sichuan University. The title of my paper today is What Influenced the Choice of Local Government Collaboration Networks? A meta-analysis. As we know, collaborative governance is an arrangement that solves public problems in the policy process. An awareness of the motivation for local governments to establish networks can improve the explanatory power of collaborative governance theories. My sharing consists of the following four parts. First, I propose research questions. The paper mainly studies the influencing factor of local government collaboration networks. Secondly, a specific research design is carried out for the research question of the paper. Thirdly, the research results of this paper are reported. Finally, the research conclusions and research prospects of this paper are presented. In terms of research questions, the research questions of this paper are proposed mainly from the perspective of theory, practice, and fragmented research tendencies. In theory, collaborative public management network governments and the pursuit of legitimate public policies have affected the institution of collaborative governments. And a variety of different elements have been proposed for the study of intergovernmental cooperation network. In practice, the experience of collaborative governments with large scale environmental and complex resources and that of the private sector have successfully promoted collaborative governments in the public sector. In response to now research tense, the study proposed research question for local government collaboration networks. Aiming at the research question, this paper has developed a research design. First, the study reviewed the existing research and proposed the research hypothesis of this paper. First, local governments with different government resources are easier to establish a collaboration network. Secondly, in collaboration networks, local governments that have similar character create linkage with each other. Finally, local governments may establish different network structures. Second, the research has searched with keywords in Table 1 in Web of Science and ThinkAI databases. Our research identified 1,436 journal research papers to ensure quality and rigor. Selected articles were peer-reviewed, and the conference paper and the working paper were not considered. Given this criteria, 40 documents were obtained. The process of document inclusion and exclusion is illustrated in Figure 1. The third part of the study presents the results. As shown, the horizontal axis is the converted value of Fisher's Z effect, and the vertical axis is the standard deviation of Fisher's Z effect. Most of the study were located in the upper part of the locus, and there were few base studies. The symmetry of photo plots indicated that the research did not have a large amount of publication bias. The 5 factors of reciprocity, geographic proximity, same jurisdiction, transitive tribalize, and population decreased in that order. The effect of different factors on collaboration network is partly confirmed. The meta-analysis particularly verified the homeotic hypothesis of local government collaboration network. By integrating the empirical results obtained from different cases, the meta-analysis results show that local governments prefer to achieve two structures: reciprocity and transitive tribalize. At the end of the article, the study summarizes the conclusions. Firstly, the results of the meta-analysis opened a dialogue with the disputes about homogeneity and heterogeneity. The meta-analysis results of the geographical location, characteristics of local governments echo the collaborative governments' motivations proposed by institutional collective action. The choice of the local government collaboration network structure validated the local government's preference for simple structure. Finally, our finding indicated that simply factors are not enough to explain collaboration network. More evidence is required for collaborative government study on local governments. We also encourage administrators to think about how to establish the collaborative networks and why. Different countries may choose different regional coordinated governments mechanism while facing different government issues. Future study should respond to the development of practice and verify the rich hypotheses in the simple studies. Okay, this is the end of my sharing. Please everyone criticize and correct. Thank you.